The Mighty Ants, a tale of collective strength. In the miniature world beneath our feet, where every grain of sand and crumb of food holds significance, the ant stands as a symbol of relentless determination, unity, and the boundless strength that arises from working together. This is the story of the mighty ants. With every tiny step they take, ants teach us that no task is too big to tackle if we approach it with unwavering determination and an indomitable work ethic. Just as the ant colony thrives through cooperation, we too can achieve greatness by supporting one another, knowing that together, we are capable of accomplishing extraordinary feats. The ant's meticulous craftsmanship reminds us that attention to detail and a commitment to excellence are the building blocks of any grand endeavor. The nurturing care the ants provide to their young mirrors the importance of education, guidance, and the love we offer to the next generation, ensuring their future success. Like the ants' resilience in the face of adversity, we too can weather life's storms with unwavering determination, knowing that challenges are but stepping stones on our journey. As you navigate your own path in this world, remember the ant's tale. Embrace each challenge with persistence, support one another on your collective journey, and let your individual strengths contribute to the greater good. Embody the spirit of the mighty ants, the embodiment of determination, the heart of unity, and the boundless strength that emerges when we work together as one. Thanks for watching.